Ali, if you hear about my story, call on grass to grace. Many prices me you had to pay. Even when you lucky talkie say I feel la fail. Ah, my mama no dey sleep oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make her win oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make her win oh. When a blessing follow me, I money follow me. Anywhere I carry go. Hey, when a blessing follow me, I money follow me. Anywhere I carry go. Yeah, I remember that day, but then when we dey for the ghetto, yeah, they hunt. The biggie and the massive that they go say nobody come my way. If anybody come, no one come to stay. If they come to stay, nothing they for plates. Ah, my mama no dey sleep oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make her win oh. Only you stand for me. My mama no dey sleep oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make her win oh. This is where you know me there before yesterday. No be there in me a day today. So the people where you know me follow Shatale. Ali, if you hear about my story, call on grass to grace. Many prices me you had to pay. Even when you lucky talkie say I feel la fail. No man born of a woman. No feet talk say you know like mama. Mama, no lie, no other woman.
What's that, me?
I
must go now before my mother starts to ask questions. You know, if we do not have answers, our backs bear the consequences.
When will you learn to speak your mind to her? You guys are grown up.
It is difficult to bring such words to our hearing. We remain children in the eyes of our mother.
Maybe my mother should do the talking for you. I am old enough to be a man. And you, my wife.
Until your mother sums up the courage to bring our union to our notice, you had better stay here as a fact.
What is the meaning of that?
It is in a mafia.
They are your daughters. Who are you?
Emoni kukwa ye honi ya de mintamia.
Erio. Utia, ureria. Erio, u avasia. Ni ami we ubo.
Ewo, ilu asan, ilu arere. Iya ma oni are. Ena bodi lo sisi.
Yo kula e. Yorere we, use your wisdom. No ya yega.
Thank you for your advice. Sukma, ege ni de ni ya yin o sene. Yen ikwalo ni. O sisi he ya muya.
Sisi we agbele we wo we bi wa. Ma pa wo.
Me komo jomo. Mo buje wa.
My mama no dey sleep oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make her win oh. Only you stand for me. My mama no dey sleep oh. My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make her win oh. This is where you know me there.
You should be prepared for what Mama will do to you. Because like you said, she caught you red-handed.
I told her this one not to stand by that stranger, but she refused.
He's not a stranger. He's my man, my husband to be.
No one doubts his position in your heart. But be pleased to tell Mama that you lured me to waiting for you.
For 2 weeks now, you can testify to the pain I have been through. Just because I brought a boy to introduce to Mama, instead of the boy coming with his parents. Please, trust me, I am not in the mood for more pain.
What we ask is that you join us appeal to Mama in her return.
It's so alone.
Please, leave me out of this. I still have issues on grounds to solve.
Hey, look, I have said my piece and it stays that way.
Father, you speak out of grudge. The girl and the mother are two separate beings.
Every female child draws a streams of resemblance from their mother. And so does the male child draw some from their father.
Characters are not hereditary, Father. They are built by two separate individuals who has made their choice in the path of destiny which they would strive.
Look, it was I who gave you a portion of my character. And that made you to be an enviable man.
I need not to argue with you, my father. Esore is a well-cultured woman and will make me a fine bride. All I ask is for you to go with me to her mother and gather the elders so that they may bless her into our household as a wife.
No doubt she will make a fine bride. But I will not let you go through the agony of such a mother-in-law.
Father, it is the daughter I yearn to marry. I can do away with the attention of the mother-in-law if you so wish.
It is easier said than done. See, the issue of mother-in-law is as old as tradition itself. It's not by choice, it's tradition.
Father, please, look into this matter, please.
So where is he?
Ma?
Where is Esosa? Or is he not ready to come with his parents?
Yes. I have not seen him in days. And I wouldn't want to go behind your back to look for him.
Ọ̀rọ̀ mi tẹ́ ń dọ̀wẹ́ ó wọ̀n ọ̀gbọ̀n níyàn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ̀ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ mi ewu gbẹ̀ n'ubi ni mekoko ọ̀ha ya agwalọ̀ ya. Ìyá ni wọ́n mi ní ká yìí. Làwọn ọ̀nà yàrá yìí ní àmúkèmí.
What's the meaning of this?
I see.
Is that the reasons for this fear that has made you not sleep?
Isaac can use troubled thoughts. We fear we might not live to see daybreak if we sleep. So we prefer to die with our eyes wide open.
Really?
And my only concern for staying awake is so I can explain to mother that this one lured me to waiting for her. So she can talk to us as if.
Iye is already asleep. She's not concerned about you.
This is the problem. How can we have committed such a crime and Iye will just sleep like that?
I'm concerned too.
I was expecting her usual attitude. But we were faced with the reverse reality.
I'm concerned. Do you know, she actually asked me about Esusa.
Eh?
She did?
She did.
Could she have been touched by the hands of God?
I think so.
Keep your hopes alive. For me, I need to sleep.
Yeah, I'll stay here till daybreak. I just have this feeling that all this is just a plot. It's just to postpone the road day.
Don't worry. Stay awake.
Wake up, man!
What's my own? Was I the one called?
My mama no dey sleep, oh, she dey pray make I win, oh. Only you stand for me. My mama no dey sleep, oh.
Okay. Elenede. Ego ga meri ma. Eme we apoto mama re meri ma ta. Eme o ko ni aha ma ari lege ni. Aga bu be ma be. Ma we o ma ru ko ni ba ma. Jeti ma ru ko ni ma ka ma ari lege ni. Me boy me ma aro ni ni afa fu le ni ma.
Yagbe. Akpade ti ma dami ni ni ma ka tamba gani. Ma ru ko ni nya wo ni ma ari. Agbe mama so na. Ma de ko pon ma ni la jina. Ma jina.
Funa yi. Eme na we ta wa ya.
Dija, we genya. Egini na atama no zigbe. Akole zigbe we gele ye we jina ni. Ugbe koko. Ugbe coffee. Ugbe gudi. Eya ti awo na era wuse ani. Eya ti awo ni.
Odun we lewo. We onu bopa opon pa do. Okun we ri Yoruba. Deti we ri me ni weta. Ebu we ayi na okun we ri Yoruba. No bio me no we ka we are from your bottom of your heart we ri Yoruba ni. Oh bio me bonya ti mo ti yan ti ma yan ti re ni ma yede. No bien o me ogbe ni enu. Le va se we va wora e da to assist to no bien we. Okuno orun kere o. Neru we ti agbebu we so we ri e. Ni ati ma ye ni ere be ni ma ye ni ere tem ana me we yen we ra we wo yen gbo ra we wo me ba we wo. So ma wo do ye we e fa no e no we ona biele ni gbe a 3 children 3 different men e bien na.
Oma akpade ma mari mo gele yo ni gani. Ya body do no la. Agbo ya ti ajibu.
Yo te mege o ka ke me we e mo ma me gele ni a. Ibi no ke ni a ha wo ya ga wo. Ma ko ni a de ti a hin ari ko. A ko ni ari ase ani ari ko ni ari ko no ko ni ari. A ko yo ni ari ko no ko ni ari. De o ko no do ko no do. A ko ya mo do no ko no we. Ma ke na me we na ya ari ne de ni.
Ata. Did give me one again? You want to? You are better with the kind. You are
Upon I don't want to go about it, but I did, and not time or what there is no to my hearing. Yes, and I want more quiet. I'm morning. Yes.
Okay. What time are you going to go? Or Tini no who knew who no here or time aware.
Obunuyo. Or Bunuyo, no way, no way now, Evani, Okosibino, Bessibino.
Eh, what can I take Emma? Not Twino. I don't know what it can't be better.
Oh, on our terminal. I go not put up with nothing. I can buy if you who him a messiah. Ya be again. Here I ask you, or when you there, Yama. I will say, what I haven't stopped when you appear. You haven't stopped again at Yagmo. If you couldn't be, you say, you came away at Chakara, with a arrow. Here, take me.
No, we are going. We may.
When you were when you have it, you say, a messy way, we were training women of a training. When you were training, and a year when you were training me up. Remember to maybe training. So, remember the by a book when you doubt them, Marilette. So, probably you were ye. When we were in no mabu wedding, eat I want my body. Okay, no, you are you going to my very ma. Well, I agree. Much better, mammy. Over me, you can win a big no ya demi na even what the going to charge you walk or boom. When we are yaking out your own going to support no ya one over not the good. Come on. Every man, my wife, any mark, move my boom, my dear. Marco, you know, my women. I'm taking away my pen. I give you away, my man or Bunyadi. I said, well, again. Me when you are not very well.
When we were ready for the California,
if you see the way their mother chased away that boy with her gun, hey, you will marvel.
But that was not the way I heard it.
What did you?
I heard that the boy went alone without his family, then he chased him out.
My dear, if he was told to come with his family and then he failed, chasing him out is justice to me.
Exactly my point.
Chasing him is justice to womanhood. Men should add value to women they desire to call their wife.
If he can disobey the mother at such a time like this, then if not controlled, hey, it will do worse when we give it the woman.
See? It is better corrected now than ever.
I agree with you.
Aburuka, let me akuruka. My mama, let me akuruka. She dey pray, make I not fuck kuruka. This is where you know me there before yesterday. No be there in me a day today. So the people when you know me follow Shatale.
Oh yes.
Welcome. What were you trying to do? Run away?
Is my friend, just as she's a friend to my mother.
Is your mother not aware of my union with you?
She is, but you are not yet my husband. So seeing us together in this manner is not a good representation of my family's name.
Listen, if your worry is about her, then you have nothing to fear. She can do whatever she feels like with her unwise daughters. Not to any other one, not even my Ogwegwe.
You know, I earlier warned about us standing here. So please, let me, before my parents be the next to come by this path.
So, Iye Bende is not the one spoiling our fun and even making you scared.
Caution is the right word to use, not being scared.
Caution? Did you say caution? Okay. Don't worry, eh? Very soon, I mean very soon, you will be my wife and all this fear will be over. Okay? All this fear will be over. Let's leave this place, let's change another location.
My loving you, whom I'm grateful for.
The name is Ameze.
Well, I speak according to my feelings.
Then such feelings had better be channeled directly from my mother.
Your mother?
Yes.
It's you I'm in love with.
You have professed your love to me and it is appreciated. But for me to return that same love to you, I'm sorry, you would need the permission of my mother to do that.
If that is the case, I don't think I have any problem. Do have a nice day.
I don't know why you will still love a girl like this.
See, when you are ready to get married, you will know why.
One would have expected you to come from the city with a clean wife and not this reverse.
Like I said earlier, when you are ready to get married, you will understand. Let's go. A great mother of beautiful daughters in this village. Call you.
Wato.
It's doing great.
Okay, let's see.
We're very lucky today. Go to one bullet. Come on, let's go. Love.
Greetings. We meet again.
You know it's not been easy. Sharing invitation from house to house. It's been hectic. When the first, second, I didn't quite invite people. Oh no, na, when we are fully prepared, our ramen, they want it so. So we'll do it.
Speaking of which,
if they like, they stay together for years, or they pay before they start staying together. What difference does it make?
Umagwalo to take Benny Diama.
I have noticed it from the first day I told you that my daughter is getting married. You have never seen anything positive about it. All you are concerned about is the failure of the marriage. Eh? Why? Are you like this? Please, I don't want problems. And I don't want anybody that will come to spoil my day for me. Eh? Please, don't stay. If you like, don't come. Stay away. I don't need people that don't have good mind. Please don't even come. Just stay in your house on that. Just imagine the level of jealousy. Please, just stay in your house. I don't want anybody that will give me problem on that day. Please. I don't want it to.
You are here.
Both here.
Hey, come. What's on? Must there be a problem before I visit my friend? Hey, that by Nanaba. They may come and answer me. Oh, come on, life is streaming. You mean Nana said that to you? Eh? Who did time I wear? Give no care, oh, me and that was too insulting. Mama, what's you wearing?
I've come on behalf of my sister's son to ask of you to please allow him to see your daughter.
I don't come away me stop here.
Not really, but
they not really. Oh, we may give me agoma. We may tradition me. Iji agoma ko. Iye ko maya do kade yana lese. Nunda area eminoje kuliwenga bobo.
He yearns to call you mother-in-law, and he's doing everything to see that happen.
Oma, we no de no do me. So ba, begele baso. Ore ba begele.
Thank you very much. He was so scared of coming here.
He has it.
Where is it? Oma, we are do. Alright.
The reason why the monkey does not leave the children at home is the mystery. Though some have said it's because of trust, but I don't agree. I think they take their children along because they want to show them the right path to take in life. Your message got to me.
What message, Father?
My friend Aigbe was here earlier.
Yes, I went to see him because I know you listened to him.
The reason why we advise you as parents is for us not to be blamed by our ancestors. There is a point in life where a child gets to and we switch places. The father becomes the child and the child becomes the father. The choice of whom to marry. I have given you right. Go ahead. Make your choice. Marry the person that will make you happy.
Is that true, Father?
Yes. Well, I cannot fight you anymore. It shows that I'm losing the battle already. Before you get overexcited, I must warn you. Anything you want to do it well and do it right.
Yes, Father.
Be wise. You are free to marry.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Lord.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
God forbid. If you know what is good for you, had better run away. Do you know where you are?
Since we can't discuss out there, I came here so that we can talk.
You are here so we can talk what? Do I know you? God forbid that I know you.
Bowaye.
Hey, come.
Bowaye.
Amazing. Who is he? Is he?
What do you mean by he is he?
Yes, so I do not know this boy.
A boy who takes this bold step to see you in the presence of your mother should not be called a boy. He's a man. Oh, we are him. I know him. Mother. I got away now, Emma. Oh, it's her.
I have to go straight.
Ma, I vandalize him anyhow.
I know my dead brother. Can't do that. Call you.
Oma. Ameze. Wow. You very bad. You have your love. We are getting your total.
Yes, Lord.
No, you don't tell me how.
I'll come along.
Osime, thank you for this cocoa. Yeah? I appreciate it.
Don't mention what our friends for. Mama, where did you see Sabo went?
Sabo? He went to Benden's house and he told me not to go with him so that I can bear witness should in case he did not come back. Yes.
What kind of heart was Sabo? What kind of heart does Sabo have? Or was he drunk or something?
If I was not with him since morning, I would have said maybe he took some shots. But we were together since morning and I did not see him taking alcohol. Perhaps the one he took last night is still intoxicating him. Yes, I think that's what happened.
Or is it that the gods has planned the punishment for him?
Oh, that might be true. I'm sure those Sarobo have sinned. And they want to use the Yebede to flog out that sin of him. That could explain it.
See, my friend, I have tried making advances on my own. But each occasion, I turn back on the way.
Osiri, I think it would be wise for us to save our friend. And let us go through the part of Iyebende's house. Perhaps he's still PP, so we can save him.
No, it is you he told he was going there, not me. So it should be you alone that is checking up on him.
No, I'm not the one to marry from the family, it's two of you. So let him go, whatever happened. He has told me, so I will bear witness that he was there.
So you wanted me to embark with you on that suicide mission?
Oh,
it is very fresh.
Wow, it's still very fresh.
My father brought it from the farm yesterday.
Wow, I love it.
No problem. Enjoy yourself, man.
I
told you.
It's
the one.
No, what are you laughing? I will convince her. I mean, man, I've been saying it, you've been running up and down.
Okay. Privileges should not be abused as right.
You are very correct.
I still don't know how you did the magic with you, but I hope to find out very soon.
Well, I think that will be your homework.
Ew.
I saw the way.
Omao. Who we are though?
Call.
Ameze. Yeah. So how we get it?
You should see me up, according to that.
Yeah, yo.
Meze! Oya, Larry.
Auntie! My princess! My princess! You are here! You didn't even call you were coming.
Is it not bad like you?
No. Come and give me a hug. Aboke. Good to see you. Thank God you came. You will join me in the preparation for your sister's marriage.
My sister's marriage? Where is she?
She's not home now. She went to see her husband today.
Oh, that's fine. That means she will be back this evening.
Yeah, I can't tell. She's been away now for like 4 days.
What? 4 days? Auntie, what are you saying? 4 good days! Hey! 4 good days, Auntie. And you sounded as if everything is normal. How did you spend 4 good days in a man's place that is yet to be a husband? No. This is wrong. This is wrong.
You want us to stay here to talk or we should go inside?
Anyone is just...
Why are you sounding like this? Didn't you do same? When we were preparing for your marriage, didn't you go to your husband's house to stay? Did anybody stop you?
You see, that is exactly the problem. That is the problem here. I mean, you brought me up in a good way. You taught me morals and everything. Probably I should be in my husband's house by now. I'm not me staying here in the village.
How do you mean? What happened?
Do you want me to tell you everything here?
No.
Leave me alone. You almost brought my life to this point. You will not treat me well. Mama, I'm not sending back and you're asking me for the Paper. You don't know when I see. Let we are to go where I did. Now what time? Oh, I'm not going.
When the baby is here, we will want you. We are the phone. Therefore, the phone you begin. I make me lever. In a way, I don't know. We don't go Mona. I can't go. We are lever. Anyway, I do work. See where I do why. I'm making that time.
Ah, when I say, I will me a come on your kid. Take him a deal.
How we know you be there, and why I need my tack with a memoir. We have no money, you will not go up one or one.
A good one, no.
If you are afraid that you get the email you will, must kill it. Begin. I'm not walking, Macavian.
I don't know. I will hear do but tell me no more killing me. I will no vigil me. Oh, that for me, baby. And we were piping and you became I've been with him. Oh, what time, ma? Oh, my leg, no, I tell you what we done. And I mean, where gay sending away where who couldn't weather your movie. Oh, women.
I might say, oh, I know it.
So that you have more honey, you die, you say now, no make an ignore you. Walk out here now. Say that I will hear there while you worry. Ah,
okay, Yama will go for
How did it go? My mind is set towards marriage. So why wouldn't I be happy?
Do you mean Iye Bende welcomed you?
See, when I got there, they offered me a seat. Do you know that Iye Bende did not disturb Ambeze until I was done? And when I was about to go, I called her, Iye, and he told me, bye-bye. Are you sure you were not chased out? Huh? Because I was expecting machete cut or gun injury. Oh. I'm sorry to disappoint you. None of them happened.
Is it that she was drunk or she forgot you for a woman?
She was not drunk. Even out of fright, when Ameze called me a boy, instantly Iye Bende rebuked her and said, you should call me a man. That a man who was bold enough to step into their compound with so much confidence should be addressed as a man.
Is it that the leopard has changed his skin overnight?
No, nothing of such. You know what really happened was that what I saw there was she was only doing that to scare away unserious-minded people from my daughter. That's all.
That might be correct.
Not mine. 100% correct. Yes, I forget. Ameze confided in me that there's a certain man that came with his family to seek for a soil and the marriage.
Are you serious or is this sort of a joke? I am going to.
Where are you going to?
I am going to SOS house.
If she now ask you who told you, who will you not tell her?
I don't care. Even if Iyebende kills me, I'm going there right away.
Esusa! Esusa! You have to come back. Esusa! See, I'm not willing to cry yet too. Eh? Come back, go. Esusa! I think better me that time, Mama. I always keep things to myself. I'm not the one that Congratulations. look at this, but I don't like what he's doing. Oh. Let him go. He's the only one that go to marry him. Let him go and charge his love now. As a result of this, Iyebende might even stop me from entering that house again. Are you mocking me? I don't like it. How can I be mocking you? No.
Wow.
I have sinned by coming here this day. Please forgive me. Before you kill me, let me explain why I have come.
Why will I kill you? When you're my brother's friend. If I kill you, what will I gain? When one and I was so bad, said it. My wife, why? So what? I'm going to go away. I'm going to go away. Every day. Or more gaira, iraduamo.
Ira mi makamame.
Mama no dey sleep, my mama no dey sleep, oh, she dey pray make her win, when a blessing follow me, a money follow me, any wahala carry go. Hey, when a blessing.
Your easy come from that day she caught Edesuwa and Usaze to the events that happened earlier today. I'm beginning to see new chapters of Iye.
You needed to see the way my feet were shaking. I'm so sorry. I almost sank to the ground.
Eh?
Wait, could it be that mother is unwell? God forbid.
If this her new attitude means sickness, then I like it. She rather regrets it.
When I was your age, I played one streak. When you are ready to talk to me as your mother, not as Iyebende, I'm waiting for you in the city room.
Was that our mother just spoke with someone else?
We had rather go and meet her quickly before her old skin creeps back into her.
Is it here?
It all started at the death of your father when you were still children. do wa weteri na.
Do ni kata mbona. Mo ge na me awa me ti me ni we wari onu dere. Iri no de me we ko gbe okodo wa me. Pe mo ni pa dere. We ta mbona. O mai se de keke na egbe yeye. To me de to ato to kaka.
Na mi. We go otonu we hini, otugbonu we joni. Wa we ni mo yari ire.
We ne mota.
We ne me we mo to. Bi aya ko pe money. Wa we ne yari ire. Bi aya ko kian e.
Do. O pe ni time awo de gbonu pre mi. Ma do we have you ya uta. Ko ma e do be yokori ku pepe. Ah? Do mi ke na na we. Ma we be gbe mama yokori ku. Previ mo gbe gbe dani. Adege mi ko mu do holo je tamo wa no. We ni adio wo me do ta. Ye ga inware. E awon do din le kin o yan pe gbe kin wo. Obi ro.
Di ogo ninu. O da fo mi. Omu go ye won wi na amu go yoku. Ni me ke ni die. O wa wa me ji. E we e na kan.
Ade wo ni no o ha mi a we pe ke. Ani. Mo gba gba na.
Iwe ni tama. Gi na ga o ka o. Gega o keke nu aya yo bi ogbera ka o ku bi o mi ju eniwe ku ga do egbe lato ni emi gba lowo wa ni
omi obo kan e wo ana go you du bugun an o we ti do mo bo you
ta me gbo ege
gba e ko we
Whatever.
Wow.
If you can't fight for yourself, I suggest you employ the youths to do that for you.
What fight?
The only portion of land remaining for you. Your husband's brother is right there with the buyer. He wants to sell it. Huh? He's even there right now with the buyer. This man cannot be that wicked. Let's go. Monarchy.
Why the gina?
You want to kill yourself because of a piece of land?
No. I want to protect my children's inheritance. Yakba!
Go now.
Since that day, I became another woman.
Kakabo wa pala wala de robi wala de robi
Wow.
Yeah, better.
Huh?
What one na?
You know what when I am?
What you like?
Huh?
What
you want to buy my land?
Madam.
You?
Oh, mommy. Your land?
Oh, yeah, move now before I get you down.
Epa, I'm not part of it. Oh, when you are in the town, tell me. Epa, you told me it's your land. Oh, tell me no. Move. Epa, you told me this land is your land. Yeah, better.
I said move. You want me to get it out? You might want to wear.
Where you like?
Never. This saga no ya.
Mi amo.
Toi.
Avec baraba ni e.
Ouais moi.
Ya beda wu.
Saga. Ouais moi. Jata mi o wa we. Mais non. Degbe ade.
Ina do fumi mi birie. Unde mi hu. E ani mi.
Imako na do mi ogbe opa doju wa gbowo sowo. Eru wa be mi no je. Obege me ni ibege. O kaya we na yo bo mama ya buwa. Ogele obege me ni ibege. O be akoko ni we agbunwa omunje ase.
Tí màá owó kan gbé.
Ẹ má ta lọ. Iga ho na agbunwa mike na amunje. Nuwa mike na digi ese. Oya me yo bonu ton ya muwa. Nda emani bu gerewe emi ko eyin mi. Emi ko we iyan ya imo. Oya me yo bonu ton ya muwa. Akpọwọ́ sáyẹn ní kò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni à ní àkíyàn ọmọ lórí ibi ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ òpè àwọn náà wúwà ẹ̀gbọ́ ha ọmọ òyìn ẹ̀mí ni mi.
Ya owó ya bímọ máa tí àwọn òmáwẹ́rẹ́ máa ń dá ìmọ̀ náà mọ̀.
Ẹ ó sì ẹ wọ́n pẹ́gbẹ́. Èmi kò bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀gọ́ akọmu wa. Venu salubo ya jemi kpe. Ere ya jemi ko. Deme ni mi kpe ame, ni mi ko ila ame. Ero. Au no wa mi ni kata desi. Ewa. Ona ni enya na le mana bu inu wa. Obi ke kele ba wa le wodo. Wala ho. Wa eje pe mume. Onyi me sinima wa ewa. Wake wa le wa yen. Eden wa pa iwa na re. Wa gi mo uga ma. Wa koni yorion. Ta doge to ni meji owo donore. Na do legbo wa yo zango me. Wa ho.
Leave me alone. I'm talking to you. Leave me alone. I'm not happy. Shut up and say it. I'm talking to you. I do not know where you're coming from. No, don't ask me anything, please. You want to pull down my house? Oh, yes, I want to bring down this house. I want to bring it down. Auntie, I don't understand you. Are you happy with the way Ifeko is living her life? Since I came back 3 days ago, you told me she's been gone for 4 days. No, saw me together. Is that not 7 days? So I did not know where she's coming from. Ifeko, where are you coming from? What is wrong with that? Oh, there's nothing wrong with that. Is it not the man she wants to marry? Hey, I wonder why mine is different. Because I remember when it was your turn to get married. You back from the house. I sleep most of the days. Oh, you shut up before I shut up. Auntie, please. Are you mad? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't you know like the same rush that took me back to this village? Yes. Oh, you want to end up like me? No, end up like me now. End up like me. Esther, her case is different. You don't just drop down inside the river. Oh, and don't be there. You said they were the ones rushing you, and you rushed into marriage. Ifeko is not rushing. So leave my daughter alone for me, please. Please. Auntie, you know what? You were really spoiling this book. But you know what? The end shall tell. I will be here, and I will listen to all this dance. I going to end. Voila! No, go ahead.
Mother.
Okay.
Auntie Essie. Good evening to you.
Yeah, good evening.
I never knew you were around.
I'm around.
Was that not Ifeko?
Of course she is. I don't know why she ran inside. I don't really know why she ran inside as if she saw a ghost.
I'm surprised too.
Mr. Idaosa. Please, I want to ask you, is this love or madness? Because I've been here since the past 3 days, and they said if I could left this house 4 days prior to when I came, make it 7 days. So why are you coming here again to look for her, when she just arrived barely 1 hour ago?
She told you she was at my place?
That's what I was told.
Ifeko was not at my place.
Really?
Ifeko was never at my place. How can she be at my place when I was not even around? Ifeko told me she was sick and that she was in the healthcare So I just came back and I decided to come here straight ahead.
I actually took her to healthcare.
Auntie,
And I asked her to dress up as if we were going for an outing. That is why she's wearing it.
Do you think I will actually decide, agree to marry a girl and I won't go about asking questions?
Oh.
And for your information, I know that Ifeko have not been in this house for the past 7 days. And I also know the man she has been with.
Whether we are, Kagaboda we you say.
Take it easy. It's not like that. Don't allow people to break this union. Please.
I am not your son, and I will never be one.
Okay.
Listen to me. This marriage is over.
It's over, right? Orame!
Hey! Go quiet here, Orame! Who wants to get married to Ifeko? Seven days she left. Sister! Hey! Ifeko! You feel my sister? You better watch out! Sister! Woman boy!
I want to be the best. I aim to be glorified before my husband. Look at Esoe, Adesuwa, and Amazing. There are enough examples for me already.
I buy that idea. Thank you.
I wish my mother is ash like Iyebende. My sister would not have been explained.
Yeah, as for me, I wish to be like her daughter. But with a mother like that, I will not survive a day.
Though she's not my mother, I feel as though she is.
Between both choices, my dear, I would have to choose the both of them. A harsh mother and disciplined children.
But I hear men are scared, asking for their hand in marriage.
That's another one. Forget that one. Real men should be able to go for such women. Only the fake one will only see their mother as a barrier.
That is true. Better is a tough mother for disciplined children than a soft mother for spoiled children. They will want to reward differently. I agree with you, my dear. Let's forget about that one. Hey, remember that game?
We came here to play.
Hey, let's play the game now. After they will go to the street. Thank you very much.
Which
That one, sir. Really? It works. See, our reason for doing that is to protect our children. Every parent wants their children's progress. That's all.
Anyway, thanks for the encouragement, sir.
No. You don't have to thank me. See, only what you will do for me to help me talk to my son so that he will follow your footsteps. That's all.
I'm sorry to ask you this question, sir. How come you never gave such motivation to your son, sir?
You tie the goat to the rope, or you tie the rope to the goat. They are all the same thing.
Anyway, I will try my possible best to ensure that he complies.
All right.
Anyway, thanks for the encouragement.
All right.
Very good boy.
Papa, so even my friend was part of your plans?
Yes. I scratched his back and he scratched my back. I am glad that you rose to the challenge.
I was ready to die for her, Papa.
And you proved it!
It's way to go Ari.
Before we married, I was not sleeping. I know the blood that runs through your veins. That's why you didn't just wait for the advice of your friends before you jumped out.
Papa, you are truly a wise man.
Yes, a wise man begat a wise son. See, my son, when are you going to pay that?
We will wait till it's the right time in accordance with the palace before we go ahead.
Okay. Fine. That's my son. That's my son.
Am I dreaming? Osabo,
Look at you.
How's everything?
I'm fine.
Very well.
What are you doing here?
Hey, calm down. Take it easy.
You just say I should take it easy. You've not answered me, sir, but what are you doing here?
Anyway, I'm here to take a wife.
From here?
Yeah.
So why are you alone? Obviously, you must be here in disguise.
Well, this is my mother's place. They hardly know much about me.
So tell me, who is this lady that desires your motivation that you have to stoop so low to come here to get?
Well, I think you should know her. Her mother is very popular. Her name is Ameze, Iye Bende's last daughter.
That girl? She's really lucky to have a man like you.
No, I'm most lucky to have a girl like that because girls of her type are very rare to find.
That's true.
Anyway, let this remain a secret between us.
So, but you can always count on me.
Can trust you on that. So, what are you doing here? Because you were the least person I ever expected to see.
It's a very long story. It's over. I'll be staying here for a long period of time.
You still do not answer my question. What do you mean? What are you doing here?
Also, I just told you it's a long story. I don't want to dive into it, please.
Anyway, I live at my uncle's place, Parimafido.
I know that place. I'll look for time to come see you.
No problem. My regards to your auntie.
This bitch. Hey! Auntie Nana move you.
I wanted the best for you. And you think all hope is lost? What hope do I have left? I've invited people in pride, sold clothes. I have humiliated people, created so many enemies for myself. People I didn't invite when your sisters got married, I invited them this time. And now, I now hide my face in shame. In shame. Is it because of Iye Bende and those are good for naughty children? I am not as low as that to think of marrying those church rats, running after them.
Costa, come on. Costa. Over there. Hey! Hey, viens! Hey, bébé, viens, now, viens! Hey! Madam Stupid Solo. Do you know as I was coming, I heard your voices. Who now warn you? You don't want to stoop solo. Eh? Do not go when you have value or even boy. Do not know money. Do you know that is where you get it from? Ozolo mama. Sister, hey. She is here talking about stooping solo. Do you know those girls? They've been able to secure to themselves good husbands. Wealthy men. Men that knows what to do in the society. Unlike us, we're loafing around in the village and you're talking about stooping solo. Oh, you better start stooping solo. If that will fetch you a good man to this house. Next one. Do you know as I was coming, I met this man. Osabo, that was acting amazing in marriage. Hey! That guy used to wear tattered clothes. That guy is rich. Hey! That guy is rich. We used to stay together in the city. He has a lot of companies, industries. The guy is wealthy. And you are here talking about stooping so low. Hell! Hell! I just pity you. Iye Bende, she has done well for herself. Hey, madam, stooping so low. Before I forget, I saw the youth. I didn't hear them, but I saw them with my two together. They were gathering themselves in numbers. They are coming here. Do you know what they are coming to do? They want to bundle you. Yes. Because the house I went to tell the Enogi what you did. And the Enogi said they should bring you with immediate effect. Eh, make a look here. Oh, what's everywhere? Oh! When is outside? Which one? Eh, make a look here.
Mama, not the sleep. My mama no dey sleep, oh, she dey pray make I win.
Ma. Desua.
Yeah.
Tiameze walari. Eyari odori ni no free ero. Eyari odori ni.
Biko kutamu. Even better. Where ma be ni je. Owo kana no redo nde mo mo kumena. Omo boss oil. Oke na zero. No ke wona ri. No be te da mo ma. Ele wa ro bana mo bo. One boss no me do da mo me do pa ye mena.
O boss oil. O ma meti to boy. Bi o we crack out your gele le no dey.
Doni no go ke kui. Uma le mo na bien. Na beka awe budo de me wa be bune we ya me bo aja ate ni dia de ma do pa to yana o ma ke yo wa ona yi ge so ki hu ku me ya de do ko yana o ja me ko da go ni ka do fie ma we na do ye wa kana ta ko
ma me ni ta de sin ni yana no free ero o be ya gele ba e du gi o me
o ma ta ko Every man really auto when you are auto, the man said the car on the
Ita me passa sui. O que não tá mal?
E minha mocha. O Sasuji. Every man when the Sasuji time in a mort, yeah, when all that day na do go me. One money maybe.
E working when baba. E so me abono de so. O wa me ane. Ani ge were 20 years ago una koyona owo meti mu ja ihera niya ebe yen kiwo emo wala wa lo mi wa bu mi boy egbe awo wene ni a total ye o rere ka we ti ku e wo tun re Oriwa, ele ase dado fiku.
Mwatinya ngole gugu no pa die ke mi mena. Au.
No dey sleep oh.
Me mwatinya
no dey sleep oh. She dey pray.
So no ya. Ke du bana du pray.
My mama no dey sleep oh. She dey pray make I win oh. This is where you know me there before yesterday. No be there in me a day today. So the people where you know me follow Shatale. Ale, if you hear you about my story, call them grass to grace. Many prices me you had to pay. Even when you lucky talkie say I feel la fail. No man, but not a woman. No feet talk say you know like your mama.
Greetings, mothers.
We greet you too.
This one I'm saying people in our house. I hope there's no problem.
It is not supposed to be a problem, but now that your auntie is nowhere to be found, it is fast becoming a problem.
I don't understand. Are you not in this village? You're supposed to know that my auntie is not around. She traveled. It was a matter of emergency, so she had to go.
Then may she return quickly, else we will also return her as an emergency.
Has he got into that?
Tell her the money she borrowed is to be returned, since it is obvious that there will be no marriage anytime soon.
Who said so? The marriage is still going to take place.
We don't need anyone to tell us. And to even think that I bought the marriage cloth is the annoying part of it. Is that an issue? If you cannot wear it, then use it for rag. Instead of rag, why don't we call Iyeben not to bother buying the ashebi for the forthcoming marriage of our daughter? You just use it. You think so? Tell your auntie to return the money she borrowed, else we use everything to collect it from her.
Good women of our life. Please, don't use everything to collect money from her. She will surely give you back her money. She's not around, eh?
We have said our mind. Let us go.
Please, He's a little boy. I believe in the same reason now. I'm going to
This is where you know me there before yesterday. No be there in me a day today. So the people when you know me follow Shatale. If you hear about my story, call and trust to grace. Many prices me you had to pay. Even when you know talk, it's in a fell Ah, my mama not the sleep. My mama not the sleep. She dey pray, make her know.
Hey, why you crying? It's been 7 good days you've locked yourself in down. How long will we continue in this train? The way you're going, just one day, you might get yourself killed. I don't want to lose you, please. What do you have me do? What has happened has taken its toll on us. What is left is for us to learn from it. Please, we can't get ourselves killed because of that. Deaths are hanging on my neck. I don't want to have place. Don't place my face in this village. I don't bury my face in shame. As if that is not enough. Your sister's husband just called me a while ago. That he's deporting your sister to come and join us in this house. No. Why? She has no home. She did a series of abortions while she was still single and lost her own to raise. That a man cannot marry a man. Of course. No, that's not possible. If it's supposed to be so we allow him to marry you, but I can't do that. You see, that is why we said mothers, we're like guardian angel to our children. We should not try and train them well in the way of the Lord, so that when they are grown up, they will be useful to themselves and the society. As you just look at us, we all back in the village, laughing around. You remember those days we used to laugh at the Bendo? Now the reverse is the case. The children are progressing. Oh, take a good look at us. What are we doing? We are with your grace. I know that it's working. That is working. You remember the man I told you that wants to marry Amazing? And that is wealthy. Wealthy is just an understatement. That guy has money. You can imagine what that kind of man will do in our family if we had getting married to one of us. That's why you don't need to laugh at somebody. At least you be an eye-opener to all mothers. We should learn to train our children well, so that when they're grown up, they will give us rest in our old age. Even they can find some by the end of time. I'm glad for this. It's okay. It's our way, man. I lose you, don't cry. It's our way, man. You don't know about
My mama na be a kuruka. She dey pray make I no fall kuruka. Aburuka na be a kuruka. My mama na be a kuruka. She dey pray make I no fall kuruka. This is where you know me there before yesterday. No be there in me a day today. So the people when you know me follow Shatale. If you hear about my story, call and trust to grace. Many prices me you had to pay. Even when you lucky talk, it's in a fell. Ah, my mama not the sleep. My mama not the sleep. She dey pray make her window. My mama not the sleep. My mama not the sleep. She dey pray make her window. When a blessing follow me, a money follow me, anywhere I carry go. Hey, when a blessing follow me, a money follow me, anywhere I carry go. Yeah, I remember that day, but then when we dey for the ghetto, yeah, they hunter, All the biggie and the masses that they waste. Nobody come my way. If anybody come, no one come to stay. If they come to stay, nothing they for plate. My mama